Good morning. This is Josh Hayes with Hedge Plus, and here's today's market monitor. My headline for today is that the wheat market is not holding back corn just yet, and we obviously hope that continues. But it's definitely something to take note of. We did see after yesterday's losses with the wheat market, which came mostly on improving weather in the United States, improved outlook in China, and weak demand for wheat, so much so that um, Australia was showing a massive abundance due to lack of purchases from China. But in the overnight, or at least since yesterday's close, wheat winter wheat conditions slipped another 2% for the second consecutive week. Market was expecting no change. I'd also add that the outlook for rain in China, it's becoming more mixed. Yesterday traded on the thought that they were going to get the rain that they needed in the past 12 to 24 hours or so. That outlook has become more mixed. So we're seeing a little bit of a rebound overnight. Regardless, yesterday's pullback with wheat did not prevent or did not cause corn to follow. Corn was unchanged. Corn's up another couple cents overnight. Basically, we're about even since Friday morning with corn, while wheat's down about 10 cents. Other news: Argentina, their recent flooding rains, which kind of weren't mentioned too much. We talked about a little bit, but that has now resulted in some lowered forecasts there. Crop progress, crop conditions, initial ratings, crop progress, planting pace didn't really slow down despite the loss of days suitable for field work. Still well ahead of last year in the 5 year averages. One note: the first initial condition report for corn, we came in at 68% good to excellent, which was on the lower range of expectations. So the planting pace has been solid, but conditions aren't quite as good as many were expecting. Perhaps that's leading to a little bit of the bullishness we're seeing up a couple cents again overnight. Taking a look at the weather, a round of cooling temperatures before potentially getting warm. We're probably looking at, we would need to see start to get real warm here in the next week or two. That's our best chance for a good strong rally here in the next month. That's the forecast for now, but it's still too far out to really count on. Brazil is getting a little bit of an atypical late season rain, which is helping boost their outlook for safrinha crop, already very strong. Definitely a possibility that their crop's going to get even stronger here. China, I have to say, their outlook is definitely mixed. It's changing fast. I think the market got a little too excited about the prospects of rain there yesterday. Those prospects are dimming, so the market's going to actually have to see the rain. Maybe we'll get a little bit of a bounce back today throughout the day session as the outlook there for their rain, which they need badly, is decreasing. In Argentina, they're starting to dry out finally after the flooding rains. But like I said, some of the forecasts for their soybean crop have already been lowered. Taking a look at the overnight mixed prices, but corn and wheat up a couple cents, 4 cents each. Soybeans down a couple cents. Again, relative to this would be going back all the way back to Friday. Corn is trading right at where we were this time Friday morning. Soybeans are down about 7 cents from then, and wheat's down about 10. Hope to build some of that back here today as some of the bearish news, especially the forecast for rain in China, starts to dissipate, and maybe we'll regain some of those losses we saw yesterday. That's all for today. I hope everyone has a great day today, and we will talk to you again tomorrow.